Okay, we're making a new video.
How many videos are we gonna fucking take?
I don't know, because I took like... Alright. What are we doing here, Tyler?
Anal beads! Anal beads.
Is this going on YouTube?
And? I'm whipping people
And
with
it's on
belt.
my account.
I know.
It's on tip.
You said it was on your account. No, I really don't know. Alright, we're in a cemetery. The cemetery across my house. And it's
way too hot.
Tyler, Kyle, Jojo, Mariah, and then and there's me. Ow, that hurt. There's me. And we're in the cemetery, and we're walking around.
I am.
See? Cemetery.
It's okay, Joe.
We're just walking around. And my son, you're really scared.
Hey,
Don't whip people's graves.
Taylor.
Ooh, I say.
Taylor, will you protect JoJo?
Yeah.
Here, you go to
And we're kind of scared.
I like walking you. I'm fine. Okay.
Like, it's kind of scary. And the thing is that, I can see you. And the thing is that, it's near my house. I live right across from it. And I hope the cops don't call. There's people driving by. But, and, so, oh yeah, this is across from my house. And so if something ever happens, I have to deal with it because it's my house. But we just made a video in the cemetery. Pretty amusing. We're going to make more videos.